OnePlus 11R gets BIS certification, hints at imminent launch. A report earlier this week said that the production of the OnePlus 11R has started in India. The smartphone is expected to be a toned-down version of the premium OnePlus 11 that is set to make its debut in India in February. Now, the device has been spotted on the Indian BIS certification website along with the Chinese CQC certification website. According to 91 Mobiles, OnePlus 11R 5G phone with model number OnePlus CPH2487 has been certified by BIS, hinting at its imminent launch. The listing, however, does not reveal any features of the device. The report also adds that another OnePlus phone, OnePlus Ace 2, has appeared on CQC certification. It reveals that the smartphone will be equipped with 100-watt fast charging support. OnePlus Ace 2 is said to be the Chinese version of OnePlus 11R 5G. If this is true, we can expect the 11R 5G phone to offer 100-watt fast charging. OnePlus 11R expected features. OnePlus 11R may come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Plus Gen 1 processor with a clock speed of 3 GHz, and not 3.2 GHz. It may have a model number, CPH2487. The handset is rumored to come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 2772 x 1240 pixel resolution. It may have a refresh rate of 120 Hz. OnePlus 11R is set to come in 3 RAM models: 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB RAM. Storage variants of the phone may include 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. OnePlus 11R is set to run on Oxygen OS 13.1 based on Android 13. To perform camera duties, the smartphone is tipped to come with 3 camera setup on the back. There could be a 50 megapixels main sensor paired with a 12 megapixels secondary sensor and a 2 megapixels third sensor. For selfies and video calls, the device may come with a 16 megapixels camera at the front.